Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use airplane mode on Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. As you can see, I'm on Monopoly Go. Now to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're connected to your Facebook. To do that, you want to click onto the three lines up in the top right hand corner. Then come down and press on to settings. And from here you want to press on to the green manage account button. So as you can see on this account, I'm currently connected to Facebook. So if you've not already done that, you want to make sure you do that first of all. So once you've gone ahead and connected your account, the next thing you're going to want to do is turn on airplane mode on your device. So you can normally find this by swiping from the top of the screen and then pressing the flight mode button. Or you might see airplane mode, but it's going to be this icon with a picture of an airplane. So you just want to go ahead and turn that on. And then you can come back into the game. So as you can see, I've currently got 32 dice. Now go ahead and press the red button to roll your dice. If you land on a square that you wanted to land on, what you can then do is go ahead and turn off airplane mode. Now for myself, I've actually landed on just the plain square which I didn't want to land on, and I've lost one dice. As you can see, we're now down to 31 dice. So what the airplane mode does is it basically resets our turn. So it's going to reset it back to 32 dice. So what you want to do at this point is actually go ahead and quit the game fully on your device. Once that's done, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn off airplane mode. And then what you need to do is go ahead and search for the Monopoly Go app. So you can see that's just there. Then you want to press and long hold on to the app. Then go ahead and press onto app info. So that's going to take you to a screen like this. And what you can want to do is scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see a button for storage. So what you want to do now is press on to storage. And at this point, you're going to see two options at the bottom, clear cache and clear data. So what you need to do first is press clear cache button and then proceed to clear your data. Before doing this, as mentioned earlier, make sure you have connected to your Facebook account so you don't need your progress to be clear. Because once you read out Monopoly, it's going to ask you to reconnect to your Facebook. So you just want to go ahead and delete both of those. Then what you can do is just go ahead and open up Monopoly. Go on your device. Now you're going to see what's going to happen. When this loads through, it's going to ask us if we want to connect to Facebook. So we've got our pop-up there for the notifications. And in a second, it's going to come up with the pop-up for Facebook. So I'm going to agree to the terms, and then here we are. It says play with friends on Facebook. So we want to press onto this. Press confirm. And what it's going to do is actually going to find our account. So here we are. It's come up. And as you can see, it's going to give us the option to start a new account. Or it's going to locate our save account. As you can see here. So what I'm going to do is select my save account and then press OK. At this point, it's going to ask if you want to load the account. Press the green load account button. And it's going to load your account back into the game. So what you're going to see once it's back through is we are now back to 32 dice. So you can see now we're back in game, and you can see at the bottom it says 32 dice. So at this point, what we can now do is go ahead, turn on airplane mode again, and just go ahead and repeat the process until we land on a square that we want to land on. So for example, if you want to land on the train station or something good like a town square or something like that, then all you need to do is follow this trick and you'll be able to go ahead and land on the square where you want to land on. So that's basically how you can use airplane mode on Monopoly Go. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.